Hello and welcome back to another WordPress tutorial. Today in this video you will learn how to create a video sharing website like YouTube with WordPress. And don't worry if you don't have knowledge about web development, we will create this website just by drag and drop without any coding. And people will be able to upload their videos, create their accounts, and they can track their views. And this website has all the features that YouTube have. So if you go to the features of this website, here you can embed your YouTube videos, the Vimeo videos, Dailymotion, self-hosted videos, which means that you can also upload your own videos directly to this website. And this will have the user profile, playlists, just like YouTube, user created playlist which we create inside our channels, favorite playlist, which means that if you like any video that will be go to your favorite playlist, and obviously the watch letter and so on. So these were the features of this website, and the look is the same as the YouTube. This is our logo. Obviously you can upload your own logo here. And this is the sidebar which look like the YouTube as well. We have the categories. These are the menus. And these are the subscriptions. So you can subscribe to any channel and then you can see their channel over here. And these are the recent news, which are basically the blog posts. And this is the search bar, the login, and here people will upload their video. And another cool feature here is this dark mode. So if I enable this, then this will turn black. And on the home page we have the featured section. Just like YouTube, you can show more. And these are the recommended channel that you can subscribe. These are the categories, breaking news recommended for you, and so on. So this is the website that look like YouTube. You can share, upload your videos, and so on. Now let's log in. So this is the demo. We can use the demo and demo password. And now as you can see, we can access our account, our channel, favorite videos, and so on. Let's go to our account. Then here we can edit our account, we can change our password, and so on. And here we can upload a post or upload a video which we see in the YouTube. And I'll show you these options later in this video. And this is my channel. So as you can see, this is the same as the YouTube. We can change our logo here, the cover image, the channel name, and here will be the featured videos, more videos, followers, and so on. So this is the website that look like YouTube, and you can create this very simply. So let me show you how we can create a website like this using WordPress. And for creating any type of website, you will need two things: the domain name and hosting. Basically, domain name is your website name, and hosting is the online storage where you can store your website files like the images, text, videos, audios, and so on. And there are a number of platforms that provide you domain and hosting. The one I would suggest is the hostinger.com. And as you can see, there is a big offer running on these days. And don't worry if this ends, because I'll put a discount link in the description where you can buy a cheapest hosting along with a free domain and free SSL certificate. So if you go to the link in the description, you can go to the hosting, and here you can go to WordPress hosting, because we are creating a WordPress website. And here as you can see, everything you need for a WordPress hosting. You can scroll down and you can see the plans are very cheap as compared to other hosting. You can select any of the packages according to your need, and these are the specification of each of the plans. Here you can host one website, here you can host 100 websites, and so on. These are the SSD storage of 30 GB, 100 GB, and so on. And with these three plans you will also get a free domain. Here as you can see, free domain. And the free SSL is included in all the plans, which is this lock icon, which make your website secure and trustworthy. So just follow the link in the description, and here you can choose a plan. For example, you are going with this plan, you can select this. And this will take you to the cart page where you can buy this hosting for 1 month, 12 months, and so on. So the more time you choose, the more discount you will get. And as you can see, for 14 months, which is 4 years, we can get this hosting for just 95 USD. And here you can save 384 USD, which is very huge discount, and you can get this by following the link in the description. And for buying this, you will just need to create an account. And for creating account, just write your email or just log in with Facebook or Gmail. Now you just need to select a payment method, so you can pay with credit card, PayPal, CoinGate or Google Pay. Select the payment that you want to use, scroll down, and this is the overview. We have selected this plan for 48 months. This is the free SSL, the cloud protection, and this is the discount. And you can write your credit card number and then click on submit secure payment. Once you do this, then you can simply log into your cPanel. I already have the Stringer hosting, so I'll just log into my account. And this is the dashboard where you can manage your website, your databases, and so on. Now this is my main domain, and I already have a website on this domain, as you can see. Now in order to create that website, I'll create a subdomain and will install the theme and the plugins, and we will create this website. So to create a subdomain, we will scroll down and we'll go to subdomains. And here I can create a subdomain. So I'll just write demo and we'll click on create. So this will create a subdomain with the name of demo.softexpert.pk. As you can see, created successfully. And this is our subdomain. Now to install WordPress on your domain or subdomain, you will just need to go to dashboard, scroll down and go to auto installer. And here choose WordPress. And here you can install WordPress, and the first thing is to choose a domain. And as I said, I already have a website on this domain, so I'll choose the subdomain that we just created. And now I will have to write a username, password, an email and a website title. So let me just fill up these details. And here you can change the version of WordPress, but you don't have to change this because this will automatically detect the latest version of WordPress. Here you can choose your own language. I'll choose English. And here you can choose create new database. So don't change these options. Just scroll down. And here you can enable the auto updates and you can update to minor version. So just select this one and click install. And that's it. That is how you can install WordPress on your domain. And as you can see, we have successfully installed WordPress. Now for creating the website, we will need to go to the dashboard. So to go to the WordPress dashboard, just click on edit website. And this will take you to the WordPress dashboard. Now you can follow this wizard, but I don't want to follow this. I'll just go back to the dashboard. And this is the WordPress dashboard where we can manage our website, we can upload our theme, our plugins, and we can upload our videos and so on. So before creating the website, let me show you a few quick steps that we can follow for any websites, and these are very useful. The first thing is to go to plugins and disable all the plugins. We will use the plugins that we need only. So we will select all the plugins and we will deactivate them. Now you can delete these plugins, but I'll leave these if you need any of these. Now you can go to settings and go to journal. And here you can change your website title and the subtitle, which is the tagline. So for example, this is the demo. I'll write you play or something because we are creating this for YouTube website. And I'll write something like this. And another important setting for this website is the membership. We have to enable this because we want the user to register and log in. So make sure you enable this option, then scroll down and save changes. And now go to permalinks. And here choose the post name, which look good, and this is better for SEO as well. So just save changes. Now the last thing is go to themes, and here we will have to delete all of these themes because we don't need them, and we will upload another theme. So just click on this, click delete. I am doing this because of security reason also, and so as you can see, we have deleted all the themes except one, and we have to keep one theme, and we will upload our own theme, then we will delete this one as well. Now for creating this website which look like the YouTube, we need a theme which is called Genius, and I'll provide a link in the description where you can buy this theme. So just follow the link in the description and get this theme, and once you get this theme you will get files like these. So this is the main theme, this is the child theme and some documentation. We will just need to upload this theme to our WordPress dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard, and to upload a theme you just need to go to Appearance, Themes and click on Add New. Then click Upload Theme and choose File, and here we will select that file. So we will upload the main theme which is this one, and we'll click Install Now. And now we can activate this. And we also have a child theme here, so this is a good practice to upload a child theme as well, because every time you do customization in the child theme you will have them and you will not lose them even while updating the theme. So you can upload the child theme as well. Now I'm not uploading this because the video is getting very long and I am doing this for the demo purpose, so I can go with the original theme. And once you activate the theme you will see a welcome message. So welcome to Genius and the supported plugins, the demo and questions. So to get this look we will need to import a demo, and the demo name is Play It. So let's go to import demo section, and here as you can see we have a number of demos that we can import and we can use according to our need. And let's scroll down, and this is the demo that we need. So as you can see the Play It, and we will click on import demo. And these are some options, so you just need to click on OK, and this will start importing the demo data, and this will take some time, so let me pause the video. And as you can see install process success, and you can click on OK. So now let's visit our website. And as you can see we got all the demo data with the logo, navigation, sidebar and videos. So this was very easy, and this is how you can create this website. Now in order to customize anything on this website you can simply go to Customize, or you can go to Dashboard, go to Appearance and Customize. So let's go to Customize. And here we can change everything on our website. For example, I want to change the logo, then I can go to the header option, and this is the logo. As you can see the main menu, and we have all these things which we can put inside our header. Now I'll not go in much details in this video. This was just to show you how you can create this website, but I'll show you a few things that you can change very quickly. For example, the logo, so I can click on this, and here I can upload my own logo. Now if you want to create a simple free logo you can go to a website which is the logo maker, and here you can start a design. So let's create a simple logo, and here you can search for anything. For example, play. For example, I want to use this one, and I can write a text like flat or something, and I can change the font over here, and I can resize this. So this is how you can create a simple logo. I can give this a color, can also change the color of the icon, and that's it. Now I can import this, and I can click on save logo. Now let's go back, and I'll click on change image, and we'll upload that logo. So this is how you can change the logo, and I can also change it over here. And that's it. So this is how you can change the logo. You can change the main menu over here, You can change the style as well, and you can change everything according to your need. This is a sticky header, you can enable that. So I'll click this, and when scroll up, or I'll say always. Now as you can see, this is sticky. When I scroll, this will be here. So this is how you can customize things on this website. Let's close this, and this is the dark version. This is the search icon. So everything can be changed over here. For example, the footer option, the footer layout. Here you can choose all of these styles. And after changing things, you can click on publish. And now if I visit the website, I'll just simply refresh this. Then as you can see, our logo has been changed. And if you want to make changes to the footer, you can go to the dashboard. Here you can go to footer builder, and this is the footer builder, so you can edit this with WP Bakery. And this is a very powerful builder that you have seen on many websites. I'll just edit the text block, and instead of this I'll write 2021, and I'll change this. And you can also change the social icons if you want. Then click on update, then refresh this, and now this is changed. So this is how you can make changes to your website. And for uploading a video, you can go back, and let's go to the dashboard. And basically the videos are under host. So if I click on all hosts, here you can see all of the videos, and this is the first host, which is this one, so we can remove this. Now in order to upload a video, you can click on add new, and you can close this, and you can write a title, for example my video. Here you can write some text, and you can write a Facebook share URL, your description, and so on, but we don't need this. You can also use the Twitter. You can set these options, for example override view counter settings, override share counter settings. So this is completely dependent on you. This is the duration, that how much time you want to play the video. You can upload a 3-second video which will be a preview of your video, and you can customize all these options. And I'm not going in much details because this is not a video about customizing this theme. This was just to show you how you can create a website like YouTube, where people can create their accounts, can upload their videos, and can track their views and so on. Now you can also set the views according to your need. For example, you want to set this to 100, then you can do it easily by editing this post and can write your own videos. For example, let's edit this, and we will scroll down. This is the duration, and this is the preview. As I told you, this is the post format, so this is the video format, and this is embedding from YouTube, so you can put the YouTube URL over here. And the default template, you can override this, that you can put an overlay image just like YouTube thumbnail, the trending post. So if you enable this, this will go to the trending option, which is over here, and the sponsored, so you can also enable this. And this is how you can create a website like YouTube with WordPress. I hope the video will help you. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.